Now we're in GuangDong's 5-star toy company's showroom. And prior to going to showroom, you can see that this company has a lot of certifications that they have met on the international market as well as domestic. They have the ISO 9001-2000, the ASTM F963, the EN 50088, EMC, EN71, as well as the ROHS certification. This company has been established for quite some time, and they have been providing quality products on the worldwide market, in such markets as European market, North American market, South American market, as well as the Middle East and Southeast Asia. They have some of the notable products that they carry, again, with their product brand, 5-star toys, Star Boys, and as well as Beijing Lean Car products. Again, they have a lot of products here. They have Learning Tree Fund products. They have a lot of products here for the carousel for babies, baby beds, and they have a phonic piano products. But today, now we're inside of GuangDong's 5-star toy company's injection molding manufacturing facility. In this location, they have over 60 injection molding machines that's on a 24/7 operation to protect all the tools, all the parts that they need to make their toys. Now we're inside of GuangDong's 5-star toy company whack and mold product assembly line. Now you can see that they have a lot of these items that they're assembling right now that's very useful in their development of their product. This product will be exported a lot of places around the world, so it's very important that they properly assemble the products. They have so many different components that is involved with the assembly of these products, so the detailed work that is involved with this is very important. As part of the Certified Supplier program, China Toy and Juvenile Product Association put great emphasis on maintaining the quality and strict management system when it comes to developing the products of their service members. Okay, now we're in GuangDong's 5-star toys company quality control department, where they do a lot of testing on certain items before they ship out in the market. One of the particular items that they test here is for the carton. This particular carton, this particular test, is based on European standards, but they also exceed those standards by 1 meter. European standards is like 98 centimeters, 96 centimeters, but here in this testing facility at 5-star toy company, they exceed those standards, so make sure their product meet all international qualifications. We're now inside of GuangDong's 5-star toy company's design and R&D department. This is a very innovative company that has created a lot of products throughout the years. They specialize in certain aspects of OEM, ODM, and OBM when it comes to manufacturing. They provide superior design capabilities and resources that they can expand their products to worldwide market.